everybody. It's day 22nd. What do you know? Let's go Amazon. Let's go Baba. All in all though, I just want to give a big shout out to my co-workers that got me these gifts. One in my backpack, loving it. And also my cake. And also those that, wish me a happy birthday. Shout out to you guys all the way at Ross. You know who you are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I got 74 stops. I got 170 packages and 18 loose boxes. Let's get it. We'll be at Salt Lake today again. They like putting me in that area. Aside of all that, I love my job. I love my job. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Norwin. Norwin, you got anything to say about today? Any tips? Any tips? Safety or delivery tips, whatever.
Don't rush. That's it.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kyrie. Yo, Kyrie, you got anything to say about today?
How'd your kids? How'd your wife?
Hi, Kathy. Kathy, this is Kathy right here. How you doing today?
Hiya.
Do you have any safety tips or whatsoever?
Watch the incline
Watch the incline. Why?
because your back step, you're gonna scrape it.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, folks, today was a success for everybody. Even though you got packages returned, it doesn't matter. We do our best and we do it safely. Let's go Baba.